Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Monopolies versus monopolistic competition trips people up fast. But watch this quick check and you can spot the one true difference without overthinking every choice. Start by testing the general rules. Both monopolies and monopolistically competitive firms maximize profit where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. So choice B cannot be the difference. Next, eliminate the statements about price and efficiency. Both market types usually charge price above marginal cost, and neither one reaches the socially optimal output described in C or D. That leaves profit claims. Monopolistic competition can earn profit short run, but free entry removes long run profit, while monopolies can keep positive economic profit. Well done! You nailed it! Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given facts and check steps, because that makes E the winner.